Our situation required us to replace our air conditioning unit during a 90-degree multi-day heat wave. Atlas Butler came out within 2 hours of our initial phone call, diagnosed the situation, quoted us new equipment, and we had a new air conditioner, furnace, and water heater installed within 24 hours. Angie fielded my initial call and was professional, friendly, thorough, and exhibited an understanding of the process, as opposed to just answering the phone. Mark was terrific and sat down with us to provide various equipment options and prices. He sized the equipment and then explained the multiple choices thoroughly and outlined the benefits of each. The paperwork was completed at our dining room table, and he indicated that a crew would be here at 8 o'clock the following morning. As promised, Zach and his crew arrived at 8 o'clock a.m. on the dot and proceeded to remove all of the old equipment, an ancient air conditioning unit, furnace, and hot water heater. They worked tirelessly for the entire very hot day. They were friendly, efficient, and the final product is a thing of beauty. Zach then proceeded to walk us through operation of the new thermostat and answered all of our questions. Throughout our entire experience with Atlas Butler, we were impressed with the level of communication. I received texts to confirm appointments and texts to let me know when our tech was on the way with their name and picture and arrival time. Every step of the process occurred when they said it would. I would not hesitate to highly recommend Atlas Butler to anyone considering their services.
Atlas Butler is at your service. Call 1-800